Morning everyone. Welcome to English class with teacher Munira. Hi students, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. Okay, so since we already finished with the civic lessons, that civic lessons required through the syllabus. But teacher, tapi teacher skip dulu, so teacher buat sekaligus je. Sekarang kita nak story time. Mari kita belajar membaca. Teacher tahu semua orang dalam kelas teacher dah pandai membaca. Tapi marilah kita sama-sama membaiki kita punya sebutan dan juga memperkayakan lagi bahasa kita. Teacher pilih cerita yang senang sahaja. The story of yes and no. Cerita tentang yes dan no. Yes and no ni ialah nama orang. Seorang nama yes, seorang nama no. This story is written by Daniel Erico. Now, let's begin. Part 1. Before words were words, a boy named Yes lived in a small village in a small kingdom. Yes was good at everything. He was the best, the smartest, and most liked person in his village. Yes had a brother, and his name was No. No was jealous of his brother because he was not much good at anything himself. Whenever the villagers asked No for help, he refused because he didn't like people very much. Whenever someone asked Yes for a favor, he would gladly help, and he secretly didn't mind the fact that it irritated No when he did. So this is the part 1. Mari kita tengok balik. Before words were words. Sebelum perkataan menjadi perkataan, seorang budak lelaki bernama Yes tinggal di sebuah kampung yang kecil di dalam negeri yang kecil. Small kecil, village ialah kampung, kingdom ialah negeri masa tu. Now, Yes was good at everything. Yes ni pandai dekat semua benda. Everything means semua benda. So he was the best, dialah yang terbaik, smartest, yang paling bijak, dan juga most liked person, orang yang paling disukai di mana? Di dalam kampung dia. Yes ni ada adik. Yes had a brother. Dia ada adik lelaki. Nama dia No. No was jealous of his brother. No ni sangat dengki dengan abang dia. Sebab apa? Sebab he was not much good at anything himself. Dia ni tak pandai ataupun tidak bagus untuk melakukan apa-apa. Dia tak pandai lah. Whenever the villagers asked No for help, bila-bila orang kampung minta pertolongan No, he refused. Dia menolak. Kenapa? Because he didn't like people very much. Dia tidak suka orang sangat. Dia tidak suka bergaul. Dia suka menyendiri. Now, whenever someone asks Yes for a favor, apabila mana-manalah seseorang minta Yes, minta tolong dengan Yes, he would gladly help. Yes ni seronok sangatlah nak tolong. Lepas tu, he secretly didn't mind the fact that it irritated No. Dia tak kisah pun. Kalau perbuatan dia tu yang suka menolong orang ni buat adik dia tu sakit hati. Irritated ni menyakitkan hati. Now, apa yang kita dapat daripada cerita ni? Okey, kesimpulan dia ialah cerita ni ada dua adik-beradik nama Yes and No. Okey, seorang bijak, seorang rajin, okey, seorang lagi yang sebaliknya. Tak suka orang, tak suka bergaul, tak berapa nak pandai buat kerja. Okey, No tidak suka tolong orang kampung. Yes, dia suka tolong orang kampung. So, dia tak kisahlah kalau No nak sakit hati dengan dia pun dia tak kisah sebab benda tu ialah sesuatu yang dia suka. Okay. So, untuk teacher nak test kepahaman awak, okay, let's do the homework. What are the characters? What are the characters name? Okay, bagi teacher nama characters yang ada dalam cerita tadi. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you. Bye-bye.